In space, no one can hear you scream. And that's not even the worst part about it. Many of us often ponder over the enigma of space. It's infinitely large, infinitely fascinating, but infinitely terrifying as well. Today, we're diving into the dark and mysterious corners of space. Brace yourselves for 7 spine-chilling facts that will make you question the safety of our cosmic neighborhood. Number 1. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. So what could possibly make them more dreadful? Well, the fact that there's a giant rogue black hole moving through space without being bound to any particular stellar system. Unlike black holes that remain in the centers of galaxies, rogue black holes travel freely through interstellar space. Moreover, rogue black holes are challenging to detect directly because they don't emit light. Scientists using the Hubble Space Telescope spotted a rogue black hole in our galaxy with a mass 7 times that of the Sun. The black hole is also traveling at a velocity of around 100,800 miles per hour. The only solace we can take is in the fact that it's 5,000 light-years away from us. Number 2. A solar storm is a disturbance on the Sun, which can disrupt the planet's gravitational and magnetic fields. On July 23, 2012, a solar storm erupted on the Sun, producing a series of solar flares, including an X-class flare, which is the most powerful class of solar flares. It missed Earth with a margin of approximately 9 days, as the equator of the Sun rotates around its own axis with a period of about 25 days. According to the University of Colorado, had that storm come a week earlier, it would have hit the Earth and caused a global blackout so devastating that we'd still be recovering from it to this day. Number 3. Did you know that the stuff we can see, stars, galaxies, planets, makes up just a tiny 5% of the entire cosmos? The rest? Well, that's the mysterious duo known as dark matter and dark energy. Nobody knows what they are, and they constitute a whopping 95% of the universe. Despite being invisible and not interacting with light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation, their presence is inferred through their gravitational effects on visible matter and the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Dark energy is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. The idea that there is an unseen force pushing galaxies away from each other at an ever-increasing rate introduces a sense of cosmic acceleration that defies intuition and raises questions about the ultimate fate of the universe. Number 4. 150 to 250 million light-years from our galaxy lies a dreaded space anomaly called the Great Attractor, with a gravitational pull so powerful that it can pull entire galaxies towards itself and collapse them into each other. What's scarier is that we still don't know what it is. Picture this. The Great Attractor hides behind the curtains of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, in a region known as the Zone of Avoidance. It's a cosmic enigma playing hide and seek on a grand scale. While the Great Attractor is at a large distance from us, its intense gravitational pull makes it very likely we're on a crash course with it. And while this won't happen for a few billion years, knowing the inevitable fate of our galaxy is still extremely haunting. Number 5. The most realistic threats our planet faces are meteors and asteroids. Over 100 million large meteorites exist in our solar system, and roughly 500 reach the Earth's surface annually. The most of them are either too small to cause serious damage, burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, or crash into the ocean. Now, let's talk about the dark and stealthy nature of asteroids. These celestial wanderers are notoriously difficult to observe and track because they reflect only a small percentage of sunlight. Their low albedo adds an element of mystery to their cosmic journeys, making them elusive and intriguing. The Chicxulub asteroid, believed to be responsible for the mass extinction event that occurred around 66 million years ago, was indeed a massive object. Chicxulub is estimated to have had a diameter of approximately 10 kilometers, 6 miles, and was larger than Mount Everest. However, there are asteroids in our solar system that are significantly larger. Though very unlikely, if an asteroid were to hit the Earth again, there's nothing we could do to avoid it. Number 6. The WOW signal is one of the most intriguing and mysterious radio signals ever detected in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. It was a strong, narrowband radio signal detected on August 15, 1977, by the Big Ear Radio Telescope at Ohio State University. The WOW signal lasted for approximately 72 seconds, during which it exhibited characteristics typical of an artificial signal. Despite subsequent efforts to detect a repeat of the signal, it has never been conclusively identified or replicated. The lack of repeatability and the absence of any natural or human-made explanation for the signal have fueled speculation about its possible extraterrestrial origin. However, no such signal has been detected again, leaving the mystery unsolved. Number 7. Just like rogue black holes, there are also rogue planets that freely float in space. The exact number of rogue planets in our galaxy is uncertain, but they are thought to be relatively common, with some of them even bigger than our Jupiter. Some estimates suggest that there may be as many or even more rogue planets than there are stars in the Milky Way. The overall probability of a rogue planet entering our solar system is considered low, but even if that were to happen, we wouldn't be able to do anything. And there you have it, 7 scary but true facts about the space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.